Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Facts with Boom. I'm your host Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are for the class 444. So let's begin. The British Rail Class 444 is an electric multiple unit built by Siemens in Vienna, Austria. The Class 444s are part of the Siemens Desiro family. They were sent to the UK through the Channel Tunnel. The Channel Tunnel connects England to France under the sea. They are used by South Western Railway. They entered service with South West trains back in 2004. The Class 444s replaced the old Class 442s, 423s, 421s, 412s and 411s. These were all slam-door trains. They run on the South Western Main Line from London Waterloo to Weymouth, Poole, Bournemouth, Southampton, Portsmouth and more. Each unit is formed of 5 cars. Each unit has a gangway at either end so that it can be coupled to another unit to form a 10-car setup. Because of the gangway, passengers can walk between both units without having to leave the train. 45 units were built. The capacity of each unit is 299 in standard class and 35 in first class according to Wikipedia, and 327 in standard and 32 in first according to South Western Railway. Seats in both classes are arranged in a 2+2 layout. Each car is fully air conditioned. Each car is 23 metres, 75 feet long. Each unit gets its power from the third rail through their third rail shoes. The Class 444's top speed is 100 miles an hour. Each unit has 1 accessible toilet and 3 standard toilets, 2 wheelchair spaces, 35 priority seats, and each unit can also carry 6 bikes. Thank you very much for listening to this episode of Facts with Boom, and remember to stay alert.